Hey guys, it's Youngmind here, back on another tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to fix the ES-OSS-3 error. It's going to be a pretty short video today. If it helps you out, don't forget to leave a like, and if you're new, subscribe. But yeah, let's get right into it. So, first thing you want to do is come to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, right click on your current internet, it may be Ethernet if your PC is plugged in, Properties, Internet Protocol version 4, Properties, use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to put in 8888 into the first one, then put 8844 into the second one, and then hit OK. Close it down. Then you want to right click on your date and time, adjust date and time, and then you want to set both of these two on. And yeah, that should be it working now. If it's not, leave a comment down in the description and I'll try and get back to you and help you out. Anyway guys, if you liked, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Oh.